Today our lecture is about the blockchain technology. You need to know about the blockchain technology. What is the blockchain technology? Basically, blockchain technology is an advanced database mechanism that allows the transparent information sharing with the business network. A blockchain database stores data in blocks that are linked together in a chain. The data is chronologically consistent because you cannot delete or modify the chain without consensus from the network. As a result, you can use the blockchain technology to create an unalterable or immutable ledger for a tracking order, payments, accounts, and other transactions. The system has built-in mechanisms that prevent unauthorized transaction entirely and create the consistency in the share view of the transaction. Why is the blockchain important? Traditional database technology present the several challenges for recording the financial transaction. For instance, consider the sale of the property. Once the money is exchanged, ownership of the property is transferred to the buyer. Individually, both the buyer and the seller can record the monetary transaction, but neither source can be trusted. The seller can easily claim they have not received the money, even though they have, and the buyer can equally argue that they have paid the money even if they have not. To avoid the potential legal issues, a trusted third party has to supervise and validate the transaction. The presence of the central authority not only complicated the transaction but also create a single point of the vulnerability. If the central database was compromised, both parties could suffer. Blockchain mitigates such issues by creating a decentralized tamper-proof system to record the transaction in the property. Transaction scan scenario blockchain creates one ledger each for the buyer and the seller. All transactions must be approved by both parties and are automatically updated in both of their ledgers in real time. Any corruption in the historically transaction will be corrupt the entire ledgers. These properties of blockchain technology have led to its use in a various sectors, including the creating of the digital currency like the Bitcoin. Now we are sharing the importance of the blockchain technology in different sections of the industrial, like what is the change will come after the introducing the blockchain. The number one is the banking. Before blockchain, banking has transfer fees, which can be both expensive and time consuming for the people. Also, sending money overseas becomes even more difficult due to the exchange rate and other hidden costs. But when blockchain is come, blockchain eliminates the need for the middleman. Blockchain is distributing the banking system by providing a peer-to-peer payment system with a higher security and low fees. Blockchain technology provides the instant and borderless payment across the globe. Cryptocurrencies like the Ethereum, Bitcoin remove the requirement for the third party to perform the transaction. Blockchain records all the transactions in a public ledger which is globally accessible by Bitcoin users. Let's consider as example of ABRA. ABRA is a financial cryptocurrency application which help in performing the peer-to-peer money transfer. With their application, cryptocurrency users can save, send, receive, and their digital money on their electronic devices. The second most example is the cybersecurity. Before blockchain, earlier CyberTracker were a significant threat to the public. Several organizations were developing an effective solution to secure the data against the authorized access and the tampering. After the blockchain quickly identifies the malicious attack due to the peer-to-peer connection where data cannot be tampered with. Second, every single piece of data stored on a blockchain network is verified and encrypted using a cryptography algorithm. By eliminating the centralized system, blockchain provides a transparent and secure way to recording the transaction without disclosing your private information to anyone. For example, a software security company called the Guide Time offers the blockchain-based product for the servers. Rather than following the centralized system, the company utilizes the blockchain technology and distributes the data to its nodes. The third one is the most important area which is covered by the blockchain is the supply chain management. Before blockchain, due to the lack of the transparency, supply chain management often had its challenges like a servers, redundancy, lack of the coordination between various departments, and lack of the reliability. But when blockchain is come, the lot of the changes come, like a tracking of the product can be done with blockchain technology by facilitating the traceability across the entire supply chain. Blockchain gives the facility to verify and audit transactions by multiply supply chain partners involved in a supply chain management system. The number one, blockchain records transaction history, timestamp data, etc. of the product in decentralized distributed ledgers. Each transaction is recorded into a block. With blockchain, everyone can verify the authenticity or status of the product being developed. Let's consider an example of the Pacific Tuna project. Here, blockchain supply chain management provides a step-by-step verification process to track the tuna fish. The process results in preventing illegal fishing. The fourth one, most important area which is covered by the blockchain is the health caring. Before blockchain in the healthcare system, patient can connect it to other hospital and collect their medical data immediately. Apart from the delay, there are high data corruption chances since the information is stored in a physical money system. When blockchain is come, blockchain remove the central authority which result in instant access to data. Here, each block is linked to another block and distributed across the computer node. This become the difficult for the hackers or corruption the data. For example, United Healthcare is an American healthcare company that was enhance its privacy, security, and medical records interoperability using the blockchain. The fifth benefit which is come by coming the blockchain is the government problems. Before blockchain, Rigged votes is an illegal activity that occurs during the most traditional voting system. Also, citizens who want to vote to wait a little longer in a queue and cast their votes to a local authority, which is a very time-consuming process. After blockchain, voters are allowed to vote without need of disclosing their identity in a public. The second benefit is the votes are counted with a high accuracy by officially knowing that each ID can be attributed to just one vote. As soon the vote is added to the public ledger, the information can never be erased. Consider an example of MIVote. MIVote is a token-based blockchain platform that is similar to digital ballots box. Using the MIVote through a smartphone, voters can cast their votes where their records are stored in a blockchain security. Moving forward, let's understand the fundamental of blockchain. By knowing the fundamental of the blockchain, you need to wait my next video of the cryptocurrency information channel. Allah Hafiz.